In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust and move the image banner box and button position in Shopify. Whether you're looking to give your site a fresh new look or simply tweaking some details to fine-tune its appearance, understanding how to adjust these elements can make a significant difference in your website's design. First things first, let's dive directly into your site editor. Once you're there, you'll want to locate your image banner box, a key element in showcasing images and messages prominently on your site. With the editor open, go ahead and click on the image banner box. Immediately, you should see that its settings and options appear on your screen's left-hand side. This area is where you'll find all the tools you'll need to customize the appearance and layout of your image banner box. Within these settings, you can edit the alignment, which determines how the elements are placed in relation to each other within the box. This feature is particularly useful if you're working with asymmetric designs or need specific visual adjustments. Positioning is equally important, allowing you to adjust where each element sits within the banner. This is where you can give your banner a bit more style or functionality depending on your design goals. You can also modify the gaps, which control the space between elements, ensuring the content doesn't look too cramped or scattered. The width and height settings are next on our list. The width will determine how broad your banner appears on the page, which can impact the overall aesthetic and feel of your site. Adjusting the height, on the other hand, can provide more or less visual emphasis depending on the importance of the image or message contained in your banner. And of course, resizing the overall box is an option if you need to fit the banner more precisely into your page layout. Once you've made these adjustments to suit your vision, you'll want to return to the sections list within the site editor. This is where you have the flexibility to move your image banner box's order relative to other elements or sections on your site. It's incredibly straightforward. Simply drag and drop the banner box from the list to the desired position. This drag and drop functionality is intuitive and allows for seamless organization of your site's content. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently adjust and move your image banner box and button position in Shopify, giving your website a more tailored, polished look. This process is all about experimentation and finding what works best for you and your brand. So don't hesitate to explore different arrangements. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!